So students, how are you all? Very good morning to everyone. In today's video class, we will see one more important class of IUPAC naming system, and here we are going to discuss IUPAC naming of amines. Amines means NH3 group, NH2 group, NH group or N group. Means ultimately it is nothing but it is N containing compound, and as per the availability of hydrogen, it can be 0 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, means primary, secondary and tertiary amine. As well, we will discuss some previous year questions which are already asked by CBSE board exam. You can see 16, 17, 15, 13, 17, 12, 20, etc. So let's start about amine IUPAC naming. Again students, here primary, secondary and tertiary system is involved. As we discussed for alcohol and then for halide, there was primary, secondary and tertiary system. Same thing we can discuss with amine, like if NH3 is there, then ammonia we know. Suppose CH3NH2 means if we will replace one H from NH3 and in place of hydrogen we will fix CH3, then it will become methylamine. If we will replace two hydrogen from ammonia and in place of two hydrogen we can attach CH3 two time, means methyl two time, so it will be dimethylamine. If I will replace all the hydrogen from ammonia by 3-methyl group, then it will become trimethylamine. But their IUPAC naming are important. These are common name, and students, we can distinguish them like primary, secondary and tertiary. So students, if NH2 group is involved, then it will become 1 degree amine. If NH group is there, then it will become 2 degree, and if N is there, then it is nothing but it is 3 degree. So we can distinguish among different kind of amine. It can be primary, secondary and tertiary as per the availability of N with hydrogen. If two hydrogen that is with nitrogen, then it will become primary amine. If one hydrogen is there, then it is secondary amine, and if no hydrogen with nitrogen, then it will become tertiary amine. Okay. So now next it's IUPAC naming. Students, there are total 1 carbon, so it will become methanamine or methane 1 amine. Its general IUPAC naming is alk and N and amine. And in before alk we can attach prefix, means chloro, bromo, nitro, etc. So it is what? Methanamine. N belongs to single bond, amine is functional group, and 1 carbon for methane. Suppose I have to give the name for secondary amine and two CH3 group are attached, then I will write methanamine for this side, and next, because CH3 is connected with nitrogen, not with hydrogen, because this CH3 is directly connected to the nitrogen and this side is CH3 side, that's why it is N-methyl, because CH3 group is connected with nitrogen, not with carbon. So we can write N-methyl, and for next it will become earlier methanamine. Okay. We will see different cases which already asked in 2017. We will see. Next, suppose tertiary amine is there, then how we will give the IUPAC name of this tertiary amine. So check, it is all hydrogen are replaced by CH3 group, that's why it is tertiary amine. So now one thing I will do, among these, which one is larger? Because here all are same, there is no smaller, or there are no one is small or no one is large. So I will choose one, that NCH3 is will become N methanamine. Check it, I written methanamine. But because N with N, there are two methyl group are connected, as we did in previous example. Here only one methyl group was present. Here two methyl group are connected with nitrogen. That's why I will write N dimethylmethanamine. N dimethylmethanamine. I will discuss the 2017 question of Guwahati region. CBSE Guwahati asked this question. Suppose CH3 CH2 twice and CH3 is there. Then I will rewrite the structure like with N 2 times CH3 CH2 group is there and 1 time CH3 is there, and among all these one should be larger. So CH3 is smaller than CH3 CH2, and among 2 CH2 CH3 one will be larger as we consider for this example, right? So we can write ethanamine because of 2 carbon. We can write this ethanamine. Now here ethyl group and here methyl group. Students, larger group will be connected with amine, means ethanamine, methanamine, etc. Okay. If all group are similar, then out of them I will pick one. As we did in this example, we picked methyl N dimethyl methanamine. At least one you have to pick. So here CH3 CH2 is big as compared to CH3 group. So and there are 2 CH3 CH2. That's why out of 2 I will pick one as a parent chain and it will become ethanamine. ये क्या हो जाएगा? It will become ethanamine. And because ethyl is there, methyl is there, that is connected with nitrogen, so it will become N-ethyl, N-methyl. Now, as per alphabetical order, I will write the name. It will become N-ethyl because E first, then M. So that's why N-ethyl, N-methyl, ethanamine. This question was asked in 2017 CBSE board exam of Guwahati region. Okay. If NH2 group is connected with benzene ring directly, then it will become aniline. Common name as OH. For OH we used to say that it is phenol. For OCH3 it is anisole. For CHO, when benzene ring is there and CHO group is directly connected, then it will be benzaldehyde. For COOH it is benzoic acid. Same thing with aniline, with amine. When amine group or NH2 group is connected with benzene ring, it will become aniline. Suppose here like this, so I will start my numbering from 1, 2 and 3 and it will become 3-methyl aniline. If something is like this, then I will write N-methyl aniline because larger group is there. This one is large because 6 carbon, here it is 1 carbon, so it will become N-methyl aniline. Check it, 16 question, Guwahati region. CH3, 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 it will become aniline and numbering will start from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what is this? 2, 4, 6 trimethyl aniline. I think no issues at all. Okay. In 20, students, amine was not there. It is acid. Okay, carboxylic acid. So it's all about amine. We done. We completed our IUPAC naming for amine system. Now we are going to recall our previous concept that was based on phenol, ether or aldehyde or acid, etc. Okay. So here I will select longest chain, and longest chain will include functional group which contain carbon, and COOH group is functional group which is carbon containing functional group. So I will start my numbering from COOH 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it is 2,2-dimethyl because 2 methyl group are there. 2,2-dimethyl butanoic acid. For this, one is phenol. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2,4-dimethyl phenol. Here what? 2,5-dichlorotoluene. Why? Because this group is known as toluene. When CH3 group is attached with benzene ring, it is toluene, nothing but. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can write 2,5-dichlorotoluene also, no problem. This one we already discussed, but we can again recall. Here this one is longest chain, you can check. And this group is known as methoxy and this group is methyl. So 2-methoxy, 2-methyl propane, we can write as per alphabetical order. Here this side is larger side and this side is smaller side, that's why it is ethoxy, it will become ethoxy. Okay, so now I will start my numbering. 1, 2, 3. 2 methyl, 1 ethoxy propane, 2 ethyl, 2 methyl, in 2 it is methyl, and in 1 position it is ethoxy, so its names will be 1 ethoxy, 2 methyl propane. Okay, check this, very important, very important 2012 example. This is ketone group. What? This is ketone. One side phenyl, one side CH3CH2, and along with carbon it will become propanone. So students, its named will be 1 phenyl propane 1 on, because at 1 carbon it is double bond O is there, and 1 it is phenyl is there. So 1 phenyl propane 1 on will be the name of this compound. Very important example as board point of view. It is very important concept for ketone. Okay, so it's the example are generally belongs to, these example are generally belongs to previous year questions of CBSE board exam, and this was based on Amiens nomenclature, where we introduced important case of nomenclature in which CH3 group is directly connected with N. That's why we used to write N-methyl, N-ethyl, N-dimethyl, N-diethyl. So many things we discussed. If NH2 group is connected with ring, then its named will be aniline. So all things we can recall one by one. We can watch this video 2-3 times so that your nomenclature portion will be complete. I already made 4 videos for IUPAC naming, and this was last video for IUPAC nomenclature. For next video lecture, we will pick some important reactions, some important mechanism, some important named reactions, so that our organic portion we can continue with same frequency, with same speed. So we will continue our lecture. We will meet again and again, and we will discuss so many things so that you can improve your challenging concept, you can improve your knowledge, you can improve your grip. That is very important for organic learning. So we will meet till then. Thank you. Thanks a lot.